Welcome back to Bags on the Go, and it's Gbody Classic time. Will the Caballero make it, or will we just have to settle to take the Malibu again? I don't know just yet. Don't know. I don't know. I'm waiting on the interior to come back for the Caballero. I was told it could be done. I just hope so, because I would like to show off the vehicle as finished like I did last year with the Malibu. Nobody even seen this car yet, on YouTube, but in person, you know how it goes. I like to show that one off at the Gbody Classic. So it's Monday. I'm just gonna keep shooting for greatness, and I'm gonna probably put a couple pieces that I have back already inside the car. So all I have to do is get the door panels and the seat back, and I just slap that in and toss the car up on the trailer, and Saturday morning we rolling out. So the Gbody Classic show is in Ohio, 30 minutes south of Cleveland. So if you've never been, just look it up on Facebook, Gbody Classics. Can't miss it. It's gonna be about 500 Gbodies there. So if you got Gbody, you like Gbodies, it's a show to check out. From 11 to 7, I believe. And I'm gonna stick around this time. See, last year I went with the Malibu. I only stayed about 4 hours and we left. But this time I'm gonna stay a little bit longer. Hopefully I take this. If not, I'll still be in the Malibu and I'm gonna stay longer. So check me out. It's the week 2, the date. So I got 5 days to prepare. Let's see which one makes it. But in the meanwhile, the Caballero is about to go outside. I'm about to take it outside just so I can see this paint dancing in the sun. Can't wait to see that. So let's go ahead, get this bad baby outside next to the Malibu. Got the slingshot out today too because it's hot. It's gonna be a hot week, so we're in the slingshot. Yeah, it's Gbody Classic time. Let's pull it outside, get this bad baby some sun. It's so hard to even look at it. It's shining so bright. Can't even see it. It's too bright out here. We gotta go back there and look at it in the shade. I'm about to blind myself. Tell you what though, I can see a difference. I remember looking at the side view and I really couldn't tell a reflection. So now I can see that reflection, just like the Malibu reflection. So that's pretty cool. Go ahead, sit it in the sun, let it bake. Yeah, sweet. So yeah, I don't know which one's gonna make it. I would love to take them both, but guess what? I don't do no more trips where I gotta have somebody come and drive something for me and do all of that. Nope. Ain't count on it. I ain't gonna do it. I can't do it myself. I'll take one car. Wow. Alright, so we had a wonderful day today. Sun is still high in the sky. It's just on the other side now, so pull the camera out one more time before I pull it in, remove all this tape. Mark just stopped by and told me I did good, so I can go ahead and polish it with the wheel. He's gonna bring me another pad because I did the polish by hand, but he told me to polish it with the wheel with a soft pad and then throw some wax on it by hand. So I'm gonna do that tomorrow, and he said you're free to take all the tape off, just clean all your edges afterwards. So I'm about to go ahead and take all this tape off out here, and then tomorrow we polish, I haven't called Detroit Interior Works yet because I don't want to be a bug, and you know, I'm gonna just hopefully call at the right moment. He say, hey, I'll see you later today. So I still got to finish the polish and the wax, so we just gonna jump on that and knock that out. And like I say, start throwing some of those pieces in here after work. So, you know, hey, we shooting for Saturday, so hopefully you'll see me at the Gbody Classic in Ohio with Caballero, or you just see green car. I don't know. Hey, what if I could take both? I know where a 2-car trailer is that I could borrow for the weekend. Maybe I'll take them both. I don't know. That sounds pretty good, doesn't it? All I gotta do is go get me another set of straps. I don't know, but you know how it goes. That's just aim for greatness. That's all we can do. It's hard to look at it, but it's not a plain white, so that's what I like about it the most. So let's go ahead and start removing some of this tape. Go ahead and knock this out. Turn it back on in a minute. Alright, so got all the tape off. And now I'm gonna do a quick bath and hit all the edges, stuff like that. And you know, pretty much just the tape line. Gotta clean my trim, get the tape off of it, and you know, just a little tape line dust, get all up in the cracks. So do a good wash on it, get the toothbrush out, hit all the trim edges, clean the trim. You know, all that trim has been anodized and polished, and the bottom's been rubbed out. So I gotta go back, see, tape everything off. You don't get all of this stuff looking old and dusty, still like new. And we done put the car through a whole wet sand and buff. So, you know, I don't like to see when I see stuff like that. Oh no, I don't like that, Jack. No. So, go ahead and give it a quick bath, pull it back in the shop, and do a polish with the wheel, and then wax by hand, and we A1. And like I say, we go from there, make sure the interior's in, and we'll get started. I can't wait to see that interior in there. I can't wait. That blue, I'm telling you, that blue gonna hit so hard off of this color. So that's the plan. I'm about to pull it over there and hit it with the suds. Got to get them details, them little fine little areas together. Pull my little detail brush out. Let's get it. I love the 80s cars. Man. Cold. Stocky. City. enough. Just right, everything new on it. So it's nice to have two nice G bodies. The thing is, I can't drive them both when I want to go to a show. Like I said, I have to get a 2-car trailer. I don't necessarily want to do that, but still I got 2 cars to be accounted for. I'm just one person, and it's just amazing. So this weekend, Gbody Classics. Which one will I take? Will it be the Malibu? Will it be the Caballero? This is this year's build. This was last year. So check in with me later this week. See which one I'm gonna take. Make sure you like the video, subscribe, comment down below. And this is my channel, I'm Baggs. And I'm just showing y'all my process, and I'm proud of it. And that's why I do what I do. I like to show the growth. What I'm doing, the shows I'm going to, the people that I'm interacting with. That's what it's all about. That's why I make my videos. This Baggs on the go. I appreciate y'all for watching. Peace.